wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up, selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab with a hit and smashing out. Come on, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, that mafia. See what we're dealing with today, man. We're back in the music lab with artists. No stranger to the channel, man. You don't know we love her over here, so you see me move my heavy. You don't know, yo. Hey, the girl with the good problem. You know what I talk about? Yeah, man, I talk about none harder than Burner Boy just buy her a Birkin the other day, you know. Yeah, see me because she have the gold going, you know what I say? You know me I talk about. I'm talking about none other than Jada Kingdom. Guys, you know it's summertime. You don't know it's summertime. You don't know when some of our latest parties and festival always going on. You know what I'm saying? And one of the latest one, if you're in the Caribbean and you're Jamaican and you're from the Caribbean, you should know, or you love reggae music and dancehall music, you should know what I'm talking about. One of the latest summer shows in the Caribbean, in the world, you know what I'm saying? Music festival, I'm talking about Sumfest, is this weekend. It's actually starting on Friday. I believe tonight, Sunday night, is the last night. I don't know, all of the latest dancer artists and all the artists all over the world is at Sumfest. You know what I'm saying? And you don't know, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna check out Jada Kingdom, Muma Heavy, cause you don't know we fuck with Jada Kingdom over here, you know what I'm saying? Fine ass, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna check out our performance at Sumfest. Let me know if you guys want to see more reactions from Sumfest, and I'll get it all done. We check out all our favorite artists, them from Tamale to Valiant to Pablo to Mali to Baker to hey. Let me know and we get it done. We react to all parts of the videos, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're going to check out Jada Kingdom's Reggae Sumfest performance. It's going to be part 1 of 2. So let me know if y'all want to see the rest of them, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're going to check out Mumbai Heavy and see what she do. You don't know like Jada over here, so you're fine ass. You don't know? Yeah, we're going to see what she do. Jada can sing, she can perform, and she look good, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to check out. Let me know if you want to see more from her. Guys, let me know if you want to see more. Ladies, and if you know, let me know if you want to see more. Okay, so we're going to jump right. This is Jada Kingdom Reggae Sumfest 2023 performance part 1. Let's get it.
Reggae Sumfest! Wagwan! Let me see you hustle at them. Gosso now. Gosso. Rough cut anytime now.
Yeah, look good now. That Lorna Bowling tattoo.
I pray.
I see something with us more than we know, but I'm distracted every time you
Can't do no different. Swear me off a win. That's why I'ma try again. Every time I feel, cause God always a listen. One day I have to win. That's why I'ma try again.
I almost messed up her performance. So I'm going. Listen up.
Level. Every time I feel, can't do no different. Swear me off a win. That's why I'ma try again. Every time I feel, cause God always a listen.
Facts, man. Try every time I feel, cause God always a listen. That's fact.
One day I have to win. That's why I'ma try again. Trust me. Tanisha first daughter. When me just start, me used to hear peer laughter. Oh, two me know say a time of the master. Everything me say me going to me go after. You see the breed, that's why every day me OD. Just I get a girl from the east with a dream. I shoot put it up on me go. Every time I feel, can't do no different. Swear me off for win. That's why I must try again.
Man, Jada. Got taken on.
Every time
that's a big tune, this one.
Cause God always a listen. One day I have to win. That's why I try again. Nowadays me just want balance moment, you know. When I stop tell myself some I don't good enough. Still I move on and but even when I try stay out the way, crosses them want see me break. Them not gonna live for see the day. Level, you've been through enough, so please follow me. Can't turn to nobody when me get hung. Been through enough, so please follow me. Can't turn to nobody when me get. Me say me been through enough. Please follow me. Can't turn to nobody when me get. Me say me been through enough. Please follow me. Can't
tune. She performed the hell out of that. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up.
You can't do one song. You cannot do one song. She can't do one song, though. She have to do something else, man. Go on, man.
Wait, are you sound go?
So Jada never booked for Sumfest. How the hell Jada wasn't booked for Sumfest? Y'all wildin'. Y'all tripping.
Heavy. You know I'm heavy, yeah. And them my dance so ready. Oh yeah, go.
Bumbo crowd. Jada.
We are go.
Hey, no,
You know
yeah.
and them my dance so
Ready, easy Jada.
I know you see this bomba heavy, yeah. Caution sign, cause me will damage you. Better brace yourself when we back it up. Cause my bomba heavy.
And the bones make the body, they a bones, tell you. Them a kilogram, boom, boom, a pound. And it's right till it's squeeze, so we love, stick it out and
Free the world, man. What you mean?
Where was hey, feel cartel. Hey, yeah, man. Yo, Jada look good, boy. Easy.
Tell me say you can't.
That skirt, not even. That skirt, nothing like chai. That skirt, they're fighting for their life right now. You feel me?
Lift it up. Come me like an android, my peanut butter. Yo, pick it up, slap it up. Tell her any man can handle it.
So try don't panic.
First you a talk like say you put a money on me. Oh my goody goody, make you want mention me. Did I put it back?
you run how we are going. They feel like wish, they feel next thing. They brooks, next expensive. They feel every wish she said. Sexy.
You know I'm heavy, yeah. And them other girls know ready.
Bumbo clad. Imagine, bro, you have that top. Easy, no?
I know you see this bomba heavy, yeah.
Hey.
Caution sign, cause me will damage you. Better brace yourself when we back it up. Cause my bomba heavy.
Crazy.
Don't you love it, Jada?
Can't play with that, man. Murder that.
I go by the name of Jada Kingdom, aka Twinkle.
Yeah.
Just add
Bombard. Twinkle, maybe. Hey, easy, man. Yeah, man. Let's carry that fight for dear life, man. Twinkle. I want to you, man. Jada Kingdom. She did her thing. Yo, let me know. She wasn't booked for Sumfest? If she wasn't booked for Sumfest tripping. You know, they dropped the ball on that one. Come on, Jada Kingdom is always relevant. You know what I'm saying? She fine, that girl look good. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for, you know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing, Jada. You know what I'm saying? Keep shooting us for the stars. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys. Let me know if you want to see more reaction to Sumfest, guys, and I'll get it done. I don't know. Jada Kingdom definitely did her thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. It was a good look. So let me know if you want to see more reaction like this, and I'll definitely get it done for y'all. Jada Kingdom did her thing. Miss Twinkle. You know what I'm saying? Muma Heavy. Yeah, man. She performed the hell out of that song, you know? Yeah, man. She performed the hell out of the front time. When me do me free, you know, when I feel a premium. Yeah, man. Perform. You work well with the bands and everything, man. But yeah, man. Let me know if you want to see part 2, and I'll definitely get it done. Let me know if you want to see more of the Tamale reaction as well, or any other artists you want to see from Sumfest. Let me know, and I'll definitely get it done. You don't know, and I'm gonna drop it for y'all. If y'all like it, definitely just hit like and show your boy some support. Help me grow over here, guys. You know what I'm saying? All I'm asking for likes. It's free. You know what I'm saying? And you help your boy grow. Help the channel grow and all that. So I appreciate y'all. Till next time, you don't know, it's your boy Jambisco out here, and I hit and I smash now. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.